should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio. Commercial radio and remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for latest statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Walker and Whitfield. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Cobb County in Georgia, South Central Fulton County in North Central Georgia, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight. 3%. In North Central Georgia, Northeastern Fayette, Central Georgia, Central Henry County, North Central Georgia, drainage and low-lying areas.